Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my December Boxycharm unboxing. The box is also a different shape this month, so I'm really curious to see what's inside. So if you guys want to see what's in my December Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. Alright, so my box is 0.95 of a pound, and then the theme is 'Tis the Season. And the box I got is number 5. So the first thing in here, this brand is cosmetics. I've been wanting to try them. Like, I've heard about them before, but I've never tried them. This is the Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. So it's a face mask. This retails for $30. So I'm excited to try this out because I do love face mask. I wonder if this is just like a regular gray mask. All right, so the inside is blue. I don't want to get it all messy, but I'm definitely going to be trying this out because I've been needing face masks lately so badly. So definitely going to put this to the test. Let me know if you guys have tried out this brand before. I'm not sure if they're available at Sephora, but I do know they're a high-end brand. Then next we have something from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. So I'm assuming just like a shimmery gloss. Yes. Ooh, this is a pretty color. So the shade I got is Insta Famous. I'm sure that they're gonna give out different shades because usually with lip products, there's always like a couple different shades, but this one's really pretty. I'm gonna put it on a little bit right now. All right, so I just put this on the center of my lips, and I did have to put it on a couple times, like because this applicator is actually really precise, so it doesn't get like all gloopy on the top of the product. And then here is the swatch. It's really, really subtle. So it's just like kind of like a clear gloss with a little bit of like a shimmery pink hint to it. And it does smell like cake batter or something. So really, really neutral lip topper. It's not like overly glittery, which I like. It does smell really good. It smells like cake batter. And these retail for $20. And then next up we have, is this a palette? Yes. Oh, okay. This is a blush and highlighter palette from Wander Beauty. I have barely anything. I have just like a face oil back there from Wander Beauty, but I don't think I've tried I think I've gotten a mascara in Boxycharm before, but I've never tried any of like their powder products. And this is called the Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. So here is what it looks like. It's actually pretty small. I was hoping each pan would be bigger in here. But these shades are definitely shades I would wear. It's just like not super, super practical for the sake of like trying to get blush in there. I always like do this and then it ends up being like too concentrated on my blush. But let me actually go in with a little bit of highlighter. So I do really like this highlighter shade. It's called City Lights. Let's see. I want to swatch it too to see like if it's like a creamy shade. I feel like this is really similar to the Persona highlighter that I'm already wearing. Like a bronzy color. So I would definitely wear all of these shades. This like nude blush, that's kind of like my go-to everyday kind of blush shade for sure. This one's a little bit more vibrant. I think that's gonna like really be great for like medium and deeper complexions. And even that highlighter I think could be flattering on a lot of different skin tones. So really do like all those shades. They do feel like really creamy and buttery. They don't feel chalky. And I haven't tried much from Wander Beauty. I've been really curious about them. And this retails for $26. And then next up we have a lip pencil from the brand Bodyography. This one is in the shade Heather Berry. So this looks like a mauve tone. Ooh, I don't like lip pencils like this. Maybe, we'll see. Okay, so that's definitely a shade I would wear, but usually I stay away from like lip pencils like this. Usually I go for mechanical lip pencils because they tend to be like a creamier formula. Whenever I wear a lip pencil, I usually just like fill in my whole lip and then like go in with a gloss on top. Usually that's what I end up doing. I don't really use lip pencils for like regular liquid lipstick, but that is definitely a shade I would wear. That's actually interesting that we got like 2 lip products in this box this month. All right, and then lastly, this is a big palette. This is from the brand Protege. It's an eyeshadow palette. I feel like we get an eyeshadow palette every single month. I've never heard of this brand before. Ooh, this is like purple and fall colors, and I really want to swatch these 2 highlighters. I've never heard of this brand. Let me know if you guys have heard of this brand. So I also just swatched some of the shimmer shades in the eyeshadow part of the palette. Really pretty tones. And then there are the 4 matte shades in the palette. The 2 center ones you could barely see because there are like really light tones, but they do feel super creamy. I feel like we always get like hits or miss with the eyeshadow palettes that we get in Boxycharm. Last month, the Ace Beauty palette, really loving that formula. Like I will purchase more from that brand, like discovering it in my Boxycharm because the formula was amazing. So these swatches are really promising for sure. This is definitely a really interesting layout as well, but I feel like it's still a pretty cohesive palette. Like these are all the transition shades I would wear, lid colors that I wear all the time, and highlighter shades that I wear all the time too. So this palette retails for $34. I really like the shades in there, and then that lip pencil retails for $12. Alright, so those are all of the products in my box this month, and then the total value ends up being $122. A little bit better value than I've had in like the past couple months. I feel like it's been like $105 or something like that. It's always at least $100 for a $21 box. So I'm gonna use everything for sure. I like all of the products. The lip liner I can do without. Like I have other lip liners that I know I love. I don't think this is gonna be like my favorite lip liner, but at least it's still a color that I would wear. And then I like the palettes. I like that there's two palettes this month, the lip gloss and the face mask. I always like it when we get a full-size skincare product because skincare is pricey and it's not as like fun to buy a skincare product as like an eyeshadow palette or lipstick or something. But that's gonna be everything for today's video. If you guys are interested in Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link with them, and that will be in my description box. And I also have a holiday giveaway going on right now too, so if you guys want to enter that, that will be in my description box as well. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.